smells so good. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be going through some of the new luxury items that I have, and this is not all overnight or anything. Like, this is stuff that I've collected for the last few months, probably even longer, and I just haven't really shared it on my channel yet. So I asked you on my Instagram, like I always do. If you guys are not following me, go follow me over there, because I always ask you video recommendations because I like doing videos that you actually want to see. So I thought this would be a cool idea, just to do like a full luxury haul. And we have Louis Vuitton, Jo Malone. I've put everything back in the boxes because of course I did have to like open some of the things once I got them in, but I put them back in the box just so I could show you like the entire experience of opening something brand new. If you want to see more of these, more series, definitely give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And I personally, I love watching luxury hauls and luxury videos. It's just my thing and I like it. I enjoy it. I enjoy purses, bags. I think you know me by now. But yeah, and I felt like actually getting ready today for today's video since it's like a luxury video. So did my makeup, and I also recently, if you follow me on the vlogs, I did recently get my eyebrows micro shaded. So that is why they're a little bit dark right now, but they look really good. So shout out to Tanya. Thank you so much for amazing brows. And I also want to say thank you so much for all the feedback on my last video, which was the date night transformation and just reality and like what it actually is like with twins getting ready. But we had so much fun and we went out for Valentine's Day. We enjoyed our dinner. It was so nice to do a video on that. If you want to see like more get ready with me's, definitely let me know in the comments. But yeah, anyways, if you guys want to see my luxury haul, then just keep on watching. So for the first package I have right here, this is actually my Jo Malone order. And I've actually never ordered off their website before, so it was their first time ordering off their website, which I got free shipping. I think it was after you spent like $150, which is the price of one of their fragrances. And I was really excited because when I went to Vancouver, I actually smelled a few of their fragrances for the first time, and I fell in love with this specific one, which I'm really excited to show you. I did get a few things though. I mean, I can't help myself. They have such cute packaging, and everything came bowed, tied, and beautiful. So you know me and my different angles. I just wanted to show you what the boxes look like now out of the shipping box, just to give you like that full experience if you're planning on ordering. So like I said, bows, pretty boxes. And then these right here were free samples that I actually got. I was surprised to see they came in little petite bags. I thought that was very cute. So I purchased just one fragrance, and then I got the little sample sizes. I got to choose 2 out. The only thing I wish I had done before this video, clearly my nails are not done, but I just don't have the time. So bear with me. I'm just opening up the bigger fragrance that I got, which I'm so excited to share this one with you because I really truly fell in love. And if you love floral, spring, it just smells like floral and spring to me, and it's just such a beautiful fragrance, and it is one of their most popular ones. So I'm going to show you what this looks like and hopefully not drop it. Came like this. That's what it looks like. It's got tissue around it just so it doesn't get damaged throughout like transit. It's also like the full luxe experience. I really love it, and look how gorgeous that bottle is. This is my first Jo Malone fragrance, so I'm just really excited about it. Okay, so the scent that I got was the Peony and a Blush Suede, and it smells so good. If you guys have not smelled this at Jo Malone, definitely go smell it. It is so beautiful, and I think the bottles too are so beautiful. And I can't wait. I'm going to definitely display this on my shelves in the back. But that's what the bottle looks like. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I love it. And also this is the 100 ml that I got as well. And you can get the 50 ml. It does come in 50 ml. And I'm going to open up now the smaller one. This one right here, I actually picked this one up at Sephora, and it was limited edition Jo Malone fragrance. I couldn't find it on the Jo Malone website, but they do have it on the Sephora website. And they still had some left in stock. So I just wanted to show you. So this is it right here. This one here is actually the exact same scent, but it's limited edition, so it comes in a different bottle. And look at the gold cap with the pink. I think it's so pretty. But I actually wanted the same fragrance because I love it so much, but also because it's a travel size one. I'm not going to bring that like super large bottle with me when we're traveling. It wouldn't make any sense to travel with that. So I definitely like the smaller one, and this is like the perfect size. I don't really like roller bottles. I'm not really a fan. I never have been. So I definitely like still like a perfume. And then the size on this one is the 30 ml, so it is a really great size for your purse to travel with. And then on the back here, that's what it looks like. It's just so cute. They're so adorable. They came in these little bags here. I was surprised to see these because I love keeping little bags and like little gift bags like this. So I think I'm definitely going to keep those and display them. But I got a small little fragrance that they sent for free. And then they also sent these two with my order. And look how cute. Oh, it's a little baby Jo Malone. They're like little baby sizes. So this I'm definitely going to put on my vanity. I think these are adorable. Ooh, the English pear smells really nice. I like that. So yeah, that was everything that I hauled from Jo Malone, and my first time ordering, my first time even owning a Jo Malone fragrance. So I'm really excited about that. And they definitely are so luxe. And with these two, you hardly have to use like anything. They're very, very potent. So I mean, a little goes a long way with those. You don't have to like overspray. I'd say like one spray and you're good for the day. So I definitely will have the fragrance for a while. And I really liked the whole ordering online. I thought it was great. I thought they were shipped really well, and I'm excited to try everything out. Let me know in the comments down below if you're like me and you keep boxes and tissue and little cute bags, because I definitely always keep the cute little boxes. I think they're adorable, and I'm really happy that they threw these in as well for free, so that was really nice. The thing I have right here is my Louis Vuitton, and Louis Vuitton is my favorite high-end brand besides I think Chanel, but I only have one Chanel, and Louis Vuitton has just always been my thing. Like I've saved up so many times to buy Louis Vuitton items, and I just would say I'd probably say that it's my favorite brand for sure. So these two items I actually got from the Louis Vuitton store. So the only thing I don't like about ordering online Louis Vuitton, I love keeping the bags, and you don't get a bag if you order online, so boo. But yeah, I did get these in store right here, and they come in really cute little boxes like always, and they're both wallets, so I'm really excited to show you though which ones I got. And this one right here, we'll open it up first. I'm not sure which one it is. It just comes in a little protective bag, which I always keep the items in. Usually I am displaying like a lot of them in my closet, but for the most part I do keep them just to keep them safe and protected. So this right here, oh my goodness. So the rose ballerine design has to be my absolute favorite. I love the pale pink. I love the shininess, like the patent leather. It's just so beautiful. And it's got a gold little button right there. And also I could not decide for the longest time if I wanted this one or the large one. And I just think this would make more sense. So this is what the inside of the wallet looks like. It's even got room for cash at the top there and change on the side. And so as you know, I'm so terrible with the names, so I had to look it up online, and it's the Vernus Sarah Compact Wallet Rose Ballerine. Rose Ballerine, I have like the matching bag and coin purse. Like I love this design so much. I'm just trying to show it up to you really, really close so you can get a good look. But if you're like really girly and if you love pink, you're definitely gonna love this line and collection. I find it's really hard to get your hands on. Like I have to definitely call and see if they have it in stock, and a lot of locations don't. So it is really hard to find, but I'm so happy I found the smaller one. They do have it in a large size too. And I'm just pulling out the other one, and then I'll show them both to you up close, just to do a little unboxing with you. So right here, this is the baby one that I got, so it's even smaller. And I had never seen this one before. I didn't even know a wallet could be this small, to be honest. It's tiny. It's like a little miniature baby right here. And this reminded me so much of my girls. It's so petite, it's so small, and it's just so cute. This is the same design though as the one that Ryan got me, which I did a full video on. It was my Christmas present. So it's really beautiful. It's a darker pink than the last one I just showed you, the Rose Ballerine. And it could definitely like fit into my pocket, but this one is called the Zoe wallet. I'll link it down below as well. So it's also got the coin purse right here, so you can put your coins in there, and then a ton of card slips, and then also cash right there. So this is like the perfect little mini wallet. And if you're like me, like I definitely like to carry little mini things. I don't want to carry like a lot with me. Then you'll definitely really like this wallet. Okay, so just to compare the size, that's the size difference between both of them. And this one is quite a bit smaller. And I know you're probably thinking like, how many pink wallets can you have? But trust me, I honestly love collecting them. And if there's something that I really cherish, it's like handbags and accessories. And I just really, really love pink as well, as you know. And if I liked another color more, I'd probably buy it, but I don't. So definitely a pink girl at heart. Okay, so I might as well show you where I've put these as well, because I've already stored them since I told you I got these like a few months ago. They were like from yesterday. So also, if you guys watched my closet tour, you would have seen like how I display my wallets and everything, but I just wanted to show you because I did add these in here. So this is what it looks like. This is where I store them. So this is what I was talking about, the same design, so you can tell the difference in pinks if you're like me and you love pink. So it is noticeably darker than the Rose Ballerine color, which is that one there. And then that is the coin purse that I have as well. So also I did a full bag review if you want to watch that video on this one as well. Okay, again, I had to make sure that I have the right name. It's the Twist Epi leather handbag. So this one here is my absolute favorite, and I was so excited when I got it. And I actually ordered it online from the store, so it came in the box. It came all pretty, no damages or anything like that. And it's right here. I put it back into the box just so I could show you guys. Oof. So I actually need two hands to show you this, so I'm just gonna show you like this, but came in the dust bag. And I actually looked at a ton of YouTube videos to make sure that I wanted this bag because it was really expensive, and it's one of my more expensive bags. So I definitely, after reading reviews and watching videos, I knew that I wanted it. So I'm so happy that it's come into my collection. Look at that though, it's beautiful. The color, I'm gonna show you up really close. And I love the front, like it's the really, really cool slick where you turn it like that, the twist. It's so pretty. I love that LV did that. And then the chain as well, so you can actually wear it like this, or you can have it just as a shoulder bag. So I actually like wearing this bag longer, and I love the fact it has the pink on the top here, different little handle. And I'll also show you the inside here. I'm gonna be doing a full handbag collection, so stay tuned for that because that's coming as well. So you open it like that, and it's gray on the inside. I'll just show you a little, that's what it looks like on the inside, which is a great size. You can definitely fit a lot in here, your wallet, your phone, your lipstick, makeup brush, of course. And it came with a little mirror as well, which was kind of cool. I've never seen that before. That's what it looks like. And it's such a beautiful color. I can't get over the shade of pink. It's a really pale light pink. And I love the fact that they did this on the handle as well. So the handle's actually light pink, which is awesome. Instead of just doing it all the way silver, I think that's a lot more complimenting. And it looks beautiful. I just love it so, so much. And then if I were to wear it like as a shoulder bag like this, then I would just go like that. It's a little bunchy though, like I don't think I would wear it like this. It's kind of still a little bit short, and it doesn't go down long enough in my opinion, but it still is cute though. And then just to show you guys where I've put the twist, it's just right up here on my shelf. And if you saw my closet tour, you would have actually seen that bag in there because I told you I got this a few months ago. But she is a beauty, and I really, really love that I got her. So this next bag right here, I actually don't have the little bag, the little dust bag it came with, but I actually bought this off FASHIONPHILE. So if you've never heard of FASHIONPHILE before, it's actually like a pre-loved site where you can buy pre-loved bags. And honestly, like I don't buy pre-loved bags a lot unless they are in like pristine condition and they say like new or new. And in this case it said like new, and I actually just got something else which I couldn't make it in time for this video, but I did get this Chanel wallet that I really, really wanted off FASHIONPHILE, and it was brand new as well. So if you can find things when they come up that say new, they haven't been used, which is amazing. And I really, really love FASHIONPHILE compared to a lot of the other pre-loved sites that I've seen, and I'd probably say they are one of the best ones. If you want me to kind of do a video on pre-loved items, let me know. I haven't bought a whole lot pre-loved, but if you want to see a video on that, I definitely can do one for you. And it's a Dior. It's actually my first Dior. I've never owned a Dior before, and it's the pale pink. Hold on. I'm so bad with names, I'm not gonna lie. Dior Calfskin Micro Baby Dior Pale Pink. So I should have known micro because it's tiny and it's like a little miniature bag. It's so cute though. It's really grown on me. At first I was like, ooh, it's really, really small. But it also reminds me of my girls. Like, it's just really cute, adorable. And the only thing is, okay, so it's really hard to open. Like, honestly, I had trouble opening it at first because the button. This is what it looks like on the inside here. And it's got like a big chain. I was actually surprised. It's like got a really heavy chain for how small it is. So that's what it looks like. And see, I can't close it properly. So it's actually really hard to close the button. There we go. So I'm gonna show you quickly what this looks like on, just so you can see like the size. But this comes in a large size as well. So it's not just like the small micro, it does come in two other sizes, I believe. It comes with the silver hardware. I really like gold though. Gold has really grown on me. I would have definitely loved to see this like in a gold in pale pink, but I do really love it. And it's just a little baby, it's so small. Okay, so this is the size. You can see how small it is. It's just a tiny little bag. But I truly love it. I think it's really grown on me and I think it's great. Like just a small little petite bag for a date night. So I did just put it right here for now until I think I can find like a different spot for it. But it is a really beautiful bag, and the full experience I had on Fashionphile, like it got here so quick, and it's international for me since I'm in Canada, and I got it within like 3 days. And I definitely wanted to add this into my luxury haul. I just I've already unboxed it, but I did want to show it to you. So it's the Venus at Fleur, and it's the single rose, and I got the light pink one. And this is the first time I got it in the acrylic box, which it's so cute. I'll leave a link down below. And you would have already seen this because I do have like their large one. So I got this for me and Sophia's Valentine's Day photo shoot. So it is for the girls and it's so pretty. It's like a little heart, and there's so many ones that you can design as well. Like, I think they have the prettiest roses that last over a year, which is awesome as well. And then the other one I do have is the Bears by Vuitton. So they're so cute too. And then just to show you where I put my Jo Malone fragrance, so just in the center of my shelves. And I knew I was gonna replace it, replace the old fragrance once I got the Jo Malone in. I just think it's so beautiful to display and use, and I'm happy that I have one now for the first time. They definitely smell amazing. And then I just put the other fragrance that I got right there as well, which looks really nice right next to the other one. And then I told you that I keep the boxes, so I just put the boxes right there. And I kind of have to redo my whole perfume side right here because this is where I actually had the Jo Malone fragrance before, and then I also have the new baby ones. But let me know if you want to see like a perfume collection. That was the other video that I was thinking of doing. All right, so that was everything. I hope you enjoyed seeing all my new luxury items, and if you want me to do this as like a regular thing, let me know in the comments down below. Also, the other video I've seen that I enjoy watching is a luxury wish list. So if you want to see something like that, where it's just things I'm showing you that are on my wish list, mommy wish list, then definitely let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, this luxury video, and of course, I will see you guys in my next one.